This milk maker is a kitchen item that I didn't know I needed. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing and looks so pretty on my counter, it really does work so well. I love that this gives you the ability to make milk depending on your needs, especially if you had an allergy. I love that it comes with recipes along with the instructions so that I don't have to guess and it's easy to use just right out of the gate with ingredients that I have around the house. And while making milk alone is amazing, I also love that it has a juice and milkshake feature to this. So you have a variety of options, especially with 8 different modes that are already preset, just making your life so much easier right out of the gate without having to do any guesswork. It's already set up for you how you need it to go. I went ahead and made oat milk and followed the instructions carefully, and it was so easy. 3 ingredients: oats, water, and maple syrup. And so I loved how easy this was with just things that I had on hand. When you go ahead and put the lid on, you want to make sure that the lip of the lid is over that handle and aligned properly. So I went ahead and just set this to oat milk. It went for 6 minutes. It has a great sound to it. It's not overly high-pitched and annoying. And after those 6 minutes, it was ready to go. I just had to add maple syrup to it, and then it went for 30 more seconds, and then it was completely done. And the texture of it is really great. You do need to strain it, but you can see here, even before I strained it, it still is a really great consistency. I think my favorite feature of this, though, overall, is the self-cleaning mode. As a busy mom, I love that all I have to do is pour water in this, hit self-clean, and it goes ahead and takes care of the rest. This is such a great buy, and I would definitely recommend it.